Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph and I'm with Maria, and we're actually on the Hiwayo hilltop. We're going to be doing a natural light photo shoot. I'm going to be using my Canon R6 with a 24-70 Sigma art lens. And right now, as you can see, the lighting is not really flattering on here. So the first thing that we are going to do is to find good lighting, and I think everywhere here, every backdrop is going to look amazing. So we just need to figure out what is going to also make her look her best. And she's styled beautifully by Jewel Day. I'll put all their links down, and her makeup was also done by the amazing Ampabing. I'll put all of their links in the description. If you want to check them out, you can do so. That would be really nice. So are you ready? Let's figure out where the light is going to be, and then we can start shooting. All right, so what I'm going to do to figure out the lighting on here, as you can see right now, she has some shadows in unwanted areas. So I'm going to spin her around till we find the lighting that is going to be perfect and reduce all the shadows on her face. So can you turn a little bit this way? Yeah, so at this point, I think it's okay, but then raise your chin up. Yeah, so it means for the majority of the shot, you have to chin up so that we can have like that beautiful light on your face and the rest of the dress as well. Okay, oh yeah, that's beautiful. So I'm starting with a wide shot, and currently I'm at 1/3200 f2.8 and ISO 125. So actually, let's just start shooting. Yeah, that's beautiful. So just like with many of my shoots, I always like to start with an establishment shot, and so all the shots I was capturing at this point were all wide shots. Chin up a little bit, yeah. I want your other hand, because I want it to be either you can put it across, you can put it up, Yeah, that's beautiful. Nice. Okay, let me just come a little closer. Yeah, like that. Beautiful. Don't forget to chin up. Yes, perfect, perfect. That's stunning. One last shot. Okay, let me just do like a tighter shot, even here as well. And then, because I like the jewelry as well. Okay, yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, I love
that. Into the camera. Yes, chin up. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful. Hold it with that hand instead, yeah. Yeah. When I'm shooting with natural light and I establish my camera settings, so aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, because it's natural light, it tends to vary a lot. And so all I would now do is just vary my shutter speed. So I'll just crank it up when it's really bright and then crank it down when it gets a little bit darker. The sun is coming back up. Adjust my shutter speed real quick. So that's the tricky thing about shooting with natural light like this. And the thing is, because I'm using a mirrorless camera, I can see my exposure change in real time. And so making the adjustments is pretty quick. Something that you won't get with DSLR. That's why I love mirrorless. This is beautiful. Yeah, I like that. I love it. Okay. As you can tell, the main challenge that we faced at this point when we were shooting was just where the sun was. It was out and it was directional, and I couldn't really turn her in any other direction except where we had established in the beginning, because that is the part where we're getting the most flattering light on her. So all I could do at this point was just to shoot a variety of focal lengths, so from wide to medium and to close-ups, and that I felt was what gave me a lot of variety shooting in this space. So I mean, if you're restricted with lighting, you can always adjust your focal length, and that would help you get a variety of shots. Okay, so we've sat here on a little rock, and we're just going to take some pictures from here. So you notice in the beginning, I was restricted or limited to one place to shoot due to the direction of the light, and also because I wanted to light Maria with the direct sunlight, but now it's overcast, and so I decided to move her around, and due to the soft nature of that overcast light, any direction will work, as we have flattering light anywhere we choose to shoot from. So you don't have to look at me in all of them, but we can start with you looking at me and then you look away. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, you know what? I want you to tiptoe. Then you can bring the right one down as well. Yeah, just like that. But I wish I could see both. So you can step on this one. Yeah, and then you can just cross it. When you're shooting with overcast light, you don't really have a direction of light that is present or immediately visible for you to use as a directional light source on your subject, but you can still access that light. So when you have a reflector, you can use the shiny side just to bounce some of that open, bright light back onto your subject. And this just adds a little bit of shine onto them, and so it just makes them pop. And so you see that I was using a reflector in this case to bounce the light even though it's overcast. So as I was capturing the images, the sun just decided to pop out of nowhere, and this time it was behind my subject, right? And so I didn't want to keep the lighting on here as a backlight. So what I rather did was to use the silver side of the reflector, hold it against where the sun was. So it means behind there I had a reflector in front, and that was now my main light source basically. So I had two lights out of that one sunlight. Sit up and then look at me. Yeah, that's it. So your right hand, just raise it up like that. Yeah, perfect, keep that. And then turn towards the reflector a little bit more. 10, and then chin up. Perfect. I love. Let me just come and do like a tight shot, and that'll be it. Same thing, yeah, keep that. Beautiful. Oh, I love. One last shot. Ooh. One last one. All right, cool. Natural light shoot on top of this hill. This is the hill. Void is, you can see.
We are in session.
We are in class. Okay. I think I'm done.